Good morning, children. Today you're going to learn about adjectives and types of adjectives. All right? Adjectives. What is adjective? Let's see. Now let's see what is adjective. Adjective is a word that describes noun, right? So adjective and it describes about a noun. What is a noun? A noun is a person, place, thing, or an idea. What is adjective? It describes noun, isn't it? So let's see what words can we use for Sachin Tendulkar. Okay? Sachin Tendulkar is a good player. He is a best player and clever. Right? So we can say Sachin Tendulkar is a good, best and clever player. So describes good, best, clever describes Sachin Tendulkar. Next is Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal is a beautiful monument. It is an old monument and it is made up of white, isn't it? White marble. So beautiful, old and white describes Taj Mahal. Is it clear to you, children? The next thing. Ball is colorful and it has 6 colors. And it's big ball. So colorful, 6 and big describes the ball. The next idea. Let me give an example. Great. I had a great dream. I had a scary dream. I had a funny dream. So here, great, scary, funny describes about the idea. Alright? So all these adjectives describes noun. Isn't it? So they are called adjectives. Adjectives are describing words. Is it clear to you, children? And also note, nouns and pronouns are technically same. Pronouns are just a replacement of a noun. So adjectives are words that describes nouns and pronouns. Now let's see types of adjectives. Adjectives are divided into various types. Adjectives of quality, adjectives of quantity, adjectives of number, demonstrative adjective, interrogative adjective, possessive adjective. So let's see what is adjective of quality. Words that describe quality of noun or pronoun is called adjective of quality. Note the word quality. Example. I have a nice teddy. What is the quality here? Nice. It generally answers a question, what kind? Can you think of different qualities of a teddy? Yeah? Okay. What is the color? Brown. And it looks awesome. And it's very cute. So brown, awesome and cute are the quality of a teddy. Alright? So these are the qualities of a teddy. So adjectives of quality also referred as descriptive adjectives. So shall we go to the next one? Adjectives of quantity. They are the words that describe quantity of a noun or a pronoun. Note the word quantity. Example, I have enough money. Enough describes the quantity of money I have. It generally answers a question, how much? For example, money. I have some money. I have little amount of money. And I have more money. So some, little and more. It defines the quantity of a noun and not exact money. Okay. Now, adjectives of number. The words that describe exact number of noun is called adjective of number. Remember, it's exact here. Shivani has 4 apples. How many apples she has? 4 apples. Okay, so it's exact number of apples. It generally answers the question, how many? If you have 1 apple, then you can say an apple. If you have many, you can say 8 apples or 10 apples. Alright? So it gives you the exact number. Is it clear to you, children? So it's called adjective of number. Shall we go to the next one? Demonstrative adjective. Words that points out a person, thing or animal is called demonstrative adjective. Here the word to be noted is points. This book is mine. Now here we can also use that, these and those. Here we are pointing out a book. This book. You understood now? Same thing applies in pronoun. Demonstrative pronoun. We had learnt same thing in the, do you remember them? Yeah. This is my book. Here, when I say first sentence, this book is mine, this comes before the book. That is noun and it describes the noun. In pronoun, this is my book. This comes before the verb is. So remember, so it becomes a demonstrative pronoun. I'm comparing it so that you understand it very clearly. Okay. I hope you understood clearly. The next one, interrogative adjective. There are WH words, okay, are used to ask questions. What are WH words? It's a questions. Who, whose, whom, which and what. Example, which book is yours? Which is used before a noun. So, it is describes the adjective, isn't it? The book describes a book. Same thing happens again in the pronoun. You had learned interrogative pronoun, right? Okay, now same thing applies over here. Now, which is your book? Now, which comes before a verb is. So, did you understand, children? There's a lot of difference. Which book is it? The which comes just before the book. In pronoun, it comes before the verb. I hope you understood clearly now. Okay. Next one, possessive adjective. These are the words that show ownership. The word ownership, remember. Example, Joe left his bat at home. Okay. His bat. His is a possessive, ownership. Okay. We can also say her, my, our, their, right? We can use these words also for the ownership. Okay. Let's see the example of pronoun. I'm comparing it because so that you can understand clearly. The bat next to the window is his. Now here, his does not describe a noun, but is used as instead of a noun. So it is a pronoun. Clear to you, children? His bat is ownership. Clear to you? Don't get confused. Confusion of whether the word is adjective or pronoun. Let's see here. Words used instead of a noun is called pronoun. Words used to describe a noun is called adjective. Is it clear to you, children? Okay, let's recall with one example. Let's see what you learned. Types of adjectives, and we'll see one example of each. Alright? Adjective of quality. Baby has soft skin. How is the skin? Soft. So it says about quality. Adjective of quantity. I have enough knowledge. Now enough is a quantity. Okay. The next one. Adjective of number. Sanjay came first in the class. The first is the number, exact number. Okay? Now next. Demonstrative adjective. That pen is mine. So that is the demonstrative adjective. Interrogative adjective. Whose bicycle is this? Whose is interrogative. Possessive adjective. My mother is here. Now here, my is the ownership. Alright? Is it clear to you children now? I hope you understood. Thank you children. You have a great day. Let's see in the next session the order of adjectives. Bye-bye.